Alrighty, backdoor has been deactivated for use, so I'm going to have to go all the way back around. Luckily, there are some fresh footprints for me to follow. There's my car again. Isn't it beautiful? My 2007 Toyota Yaris. Her first snowfall. Oops. Speaking of fall, that was me tripping over a hidden object under the snow. Okay, let's get back here. Cannot believe how hard I'm breathing. This is really hard to walk in. This is pretty ridiculous. And there's one of my neighbors shoveling snow, and I'm going to feel really guilty for shooting a video instead of offering to help. So maybe I should stop.